Okay guys, what's up? I haven't been on the internet in a few years, but in the meantime, I have purchased this Axis M200 mini bike, and I recently blew the fucking motor, kind of. I'm pretty sure I fucked up the piston rings, and I've been wanting to put some new parts on anyways. I don't have those new parts yet, but we're gonna go ahead and do an engine teardown while we wait on those parts to get here. As you'll notice, I have installed this. It is a Amazon. It's a Mikuni carb. It's from Amazon, so that could have been half my issues right there. Well, this is the stock one. I just put the intake on because I wanted to see if it was actually the issue of extra fuel or the piston rings, and it's definitely the piston rings. So, yeah, let's go ahead and tear everything down. Oh, I also have a new exhaust. You can't really see it, but you know, it doesn't really matter now. Can't even fucking run the thing. All right. Let's get started.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because...
Oh, you know, I am kind of curious as to how I'm going to get all of the gas out of the gas tank. Well, I guess we'll figure it out. How should I do this? Huh. I guess I could drain it from this. Is that a good idea? Who cares? How am I gonna, like, direct this? Alright, well maybe let's, like... I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck. Damn, I wonder if it's just because I don't have gas. Because that's, like, actually really low. Nah, I blew it. Fuck it. Let's just tear it down. Or should I? Maybe I should put the carb back on and put some fuel in it. Test it out. Well, I've already drained. No, we're just gonna tear it down. Fuck it. Nope, nothing is coming out. At all. Huh. It seems we have a bit of an oil leak. Yeah, over my exhaust gasket. Yeah.
There are so many things that I left unsaid.
Oh.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Alright, here it is, in all of its glory. I got the engine off, I took the spark plug off, and I'm actually going to go ahead and disassemble the head right now. What's this piece of metal? Don't know? Don't know. Forgot about that. Why are they putting a heat shield on so tight? That's weird. Is that another bolt?
If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my
Is it supposed to be that loose? I don't know. isn't that cool? Wow. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, yes. Okay, we got a little carbon buildup. Nothing too crazy. Don't forget to label your baggies, kids. Alright, that's gonna go ahead and end it for this video today. I'm glad that I got where I really wanted to be in this video. I'm gonna put that back. Don't know what that is. Did all of them have that? Did all of them have that? No, but the bottom two did, so I'm just gonna make sure that those stay in there. Okay. I'm glad that I got where I wanted to be for this video today. I am in the process of still ordering the parts that I need, so this build is gonna take a while. You know, could be a month until I upload again. I don't know. So, with that being said, stay tuned, turn on notifications if you want, and I'll see you all in the next one.